Hey guys, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel and another installment of Now That's Cool. Today I want to share with you a build by my good buddy Aaron Thomas, and let me tell you, it's a killer. He took a full 3D kit by Jeff Wall over at Wall to Wall Hobbies, and you can check them out at walltowallhobbies.com. And let me tell you, this is a great kit. It is a Saturday night super late model. And Aaron did a killer job on it, and we're going to take a look at the kit as well as how Aaron's thought, and let Aaron tell you about it a little bit too, so enjoy.
Bring your model to life with MCV products. Visit them on the World Wide Web at mcvproducts.com.
Aaron picked up this kit from Jeff over at Wall to Wall Hobbies. I'd mentioned in the opening, walltowallhobbies.com. That website is brand new, should be up this week. If it's not, though, head over to eBay. He has a great eBay store and has most of his bodies, parts, that type of stuff on there, so you can check them out and pick you up one of these beauties. But Aaron started with this absolutely beautiful Asphalt super late model Camaro from Jeff, and as you can see, this thing just in the mock-up is pretty sharp. Underneath the skin is a beautifully detailed chassis. It kind of resembles a little bit of a Dillon, but it's got some other stuff that I'm not really familiar with, but it looks really spot on for the era too. I've mentioned it's a full kit, and in the upper left you can see the templates for the windows, so it's easy to cut those out. And you've got your tires, wheels, everything. And down on the bottom you've got the braces for the spoiler, and there's two options there, and I'll be sharing those with you too. But full engine is a full kit, really sharp. Like I said, the chassis is very well detailed for the modern era, and really sharp, and it's offset, which is accurate. And I also like all of the bracing for the engine, transmission, all of your suspension supports. Really looks good. The 9-inch, or excuse me, not 9-inch, but the quick change rear end with all the sports, coilover shocks, everything. And you've also got a full set of brakes, hubs, calipers, and they really look really clean too, guys. Aaron is I'm gonna let him explain a few more little doodads on this thing and his inspiration for the paint scheme. And I tell you, it is really sharp, but what he came up with, as you can see here, is absolutely beautiful. Love the stance, love the colors, the scheme, and you notice the paint scheme is satin. It's not a high gloss. And when we're talking about that, he had mentioned that today's cars, in about every category you can think of, many of them are wraps nowadays, so they're more of a semi-gloss, semi-flat versus that high gloss, and they really do look good. The decals you see here on the nose, the kit was designed so that the Salvino front end decals for the Camaro, the headlights, grill, all of that stuff would fit right on this car, and they do. So I'm sure all the aftermarket stuff that's designed for the Salvino kits is going to work on that as well. But looks really good. The interior, because it's black, it's kind of hard to see, but if you go back to the kit, the exploded version, you get to see all the bulkheads, the roll bars, the seat, everything in it is up to date, and it is just, it's a sexy looking little racer. And I gotta admit, I do love that satin finish, and looks good. Right here I wanted to show you a kind of close-up of the wheels and tires. They look good. You know, I think a good set of white fives would look good on this too, but these look really tough. Love the exhaust coming out the right side door, or the passenger side door, and Aaron he always does great exhaust stains, so the carbon and the heat burns coming out there, I think that is really good. But this really looks like a Saturday night, every Saturday night racer. I'm going to let Aaron talk to you about a few things, his inspiration for what this car is, and a little bit of how he did it. And as we go out, I'm going to show you some of the slides we just looked at, or the pictures we just looked at, as well as a few I haven't shown you yet. So stay tuned after Aaron tells us about this for just 30-40 seconds, and check out the other pictures, because man, this is cool. Later, guys.
All right, guys, we're back here again with Aaron Thomas, and we've got another one that is a showstopper here. Check this out. Aaron, tell us about this puppy.
That is a 3D print Camaro super late model from Wall to Wall Hobbies, from Jeff Wall. It's a phenomenal kit. It's really good. Everything really fits together real well.
Just a good old Saturday night.
Just your good old Saturday night super late model, something you'd see every Saturday night on the car stores.
Wow.
Total fantasy build. It would be, I did it up like if it was my car, that's the way I would paint it in real life.
I love the pipe there too.
Yeah, I love doing exhaust, you know that.
Oh yeah.
The decals came from my stash, but they're off of a cut up a couple modified sheets to make them all, get them all on there.
So it's a totally resin or 3D kit, right?
Yep, everything's 3D printed, even the tires.
And you said there's an engine?
Yep.
Well, check out that interior too, guys.
Yep.
Oh, this is sweet.
The flames are a stencil and then hand painted from there.
Oh, so that's a stencil.
Yeah,
that's not decal.
No, it's a stencil.
Outstanding. That's a winner sitting still. Wow. All right. Yep. Aaron, thank you, buddy.
Yes, sir.